Brand new from Home Depot, the Ridgid Pro Pack. 4.5 gallon, 5 horsepower vacuum slash blower, wet and dry. Very excited about this purchase here. And they've had this one for a while. This is the one that has the storage inside with the hoses as well as the plug. And on the other side as well, you have your brush attachment, and then you got the wide attachment there for the floor. That's where you attach the hose for the suction. Don't forget the handle. Very great. On the back here, you have the holders for the 2 long tubes, which is usually for the shop. Very cool. 2 tubes going back here. I have them stored in another box right now. This is what it looks like. You got your switch here. Very nice, very sturdy. And it doubles as a stool. You can step on this, no problem. I'm like 260. And it also works as a seat. So you can sit on it and work on stuff, no problem. Very comfortable. Clean wheels, clean interiors while you're sitting on it. So very neat here. It will not go under the doors of most vehicles when you open the door. Probably a little bit too high for that. But all in all, very great, very sturdy, great warranty as well. Looking forward to putting this thing to use even more. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and like.